As US President continues to attack China and the World Health Organization of neglecting the coronavirus pandemic for a long time, Trump on Saturday warned China of consequences if it was found to have been knowingly responsible for the novel coronavirus outbreak. US President said it could have been stopped in China before it started and it wasn't, and the whole world is suffering because of it. He went on to say that if it was a mistake is a mistake, but if they were knowingly responsible, then sure, there should be consequences. President Trump began pointing to China as the origin of the pandemic, first by identifying the coronavirus as a Chinese virus, which fueled the anti-Asian sentiments already fuming through the country. Other US officials chose to call it the Wuhan virus, after the city where the epidemic it is believed to have started. US has also accused China of concealing the actual figures, this as China has revised its numbers upwards by 50% in Wuhan. As the American president came under mounting criticism for his administration's delayed and botched response to the pandemic, he went after the World Health Organization, accusing it of helping China conceal the magnitude of its outbreak and mismanaging its own response to the crisis. President Trump has previously said China numbers are larger than America's and that it has the most in the world. But he has presented no evidence to back that claim. US is the worst hit by the pandemic in the entire world, with more than 7 lakh confirmed cases and more than 38,000 already dead.